Hey, it's Emily, and today we are going to be making the whipped Dalgona or Tik Tok coffee. So basically yesterday I picked up the Nescafe instant coffee stuff from the store, which was also when I picked up my hair bleach. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely go watch it here. So I picked this up along with a bunch of other essential things, so I didn't go just for this, in case you were wondering. So basically today we're going to be making like the whipped coffee recipe that's been like pretty popular recently because I've heard that it's very good and it seems fun to make and interesting. So we're going to be staying home all day and we're bored, so why not just do something fun and make some whipped coffee, right? So basically we're going to be moving into the kitchen in a second. So I have the instant coffee, I've got sugar, I've got my stand mixer, we've got all the things that we need. And then hopefully I also have a few family members who might come and try it for the video. So yeah, let's just like start making this coffee right now. Okay, so I have all of my ingredients and materials behind me. So we have the instant coffee, we have water, we have milk, sugar, all of the things. So first I need hot water. So I'm going to make the water hot. I have water in this cup. And then I have my little coffee hot water maker thing. So first we're gonna make hot water. Okay, so now that the water is like heated up, we're gonna mix equal parts of instant coffee, water, and sugar in this mixing stand bowl that I have. So the recipe that I found is specifically said to do 2 tablespoons each, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so I put all of the ingredients in and I mixed it up. It took a bit of time. And here's what it looks like. If you can see that, it kind of looks a lot like peanut butter. Kind of fun. Okay, so next, these are the cups I'm going to be using because that's what I've got. So I actually ended up doing like 3 tablespoons of each in the bowl. So I'm going to fill these cups with ice, put some milk in it, and then put the whipped coffee on top. Okay, so here are our 2 whipped coffees. I made 2 of them just because. So we have milk, ice, and then the whipped coffee on top. You're supposed to mix it up a little bit and then drink it. So, have a contestant. So my mother is going to be trying the coffee with me. Also, she has a YouTube channel, which I will link in the corner for you to go check out. So definitely go check it out. I think I'm making a mess.
That's interesting.
I think it's kind of good. The coffee itself, like the whipped coffee itself, is very bitter, but the milk makes it good. So as long as it's mixed, it's good. Do you like it?
Yeah. It's not bad.
Okay, cool. So overall I think it's really good. And the milk that I used is a cashew and almond milk, which I recently got and have been so far loving. So I think that it's really good. Okay, so final review of the coffee. It honestly took a while to make, but if you have time, I think it's worth it. Honestly, like the making it is part of the experience, I would say. Now the instant coffee that I used came in like large chunks or granules, and some of them didn't entirely mix through, so maybe if I made it again, I would try and crush those up so then it would mix more smoothly, because there are some like bitter pieces in the coffee. But other than that, I really like it. I think the flavor is really good. Honestly, I definitely would make it again. And yeah, I think it was really good, and it looks really nice and like kind of aesthetic and cute, especially when like the milk and whipped coffee is separated, and it looks kind of fancy and professional. I think it's pretty good. Anyways, thanks everybody for watching my little making whipped coffee video. If you're interested in trying it yourself, you can definitely follow what I do. I feel like you can kind of figure out how to make it from what I filmed so far. And I definitely recommend that you try it. It's honestly pretty good, it's fun to make, it's pretty cheap and easy, and you can make a lot of it with like just one little jar of instant coffee. You don't have to get like a big thing. Anyways, that's all for this video. Definitely go subscribe if you liked it, and comment down below what your favorite type of coffee is. Mine is anything iced, so like iced latte specifically or anything like that. So I really like this because it's also iced, and I love like a cold coffee. And definitely go check out some more of my videos. I will link a playlist in the corner for you to go check out and like watch it. So you can probably find something that you would enjoy if you go check out my channel down below. Also, you can subscribe by clicking the button below the screen or by clicking the little thing in the corner of the screen if you're using a computer. And I post every Monday and Thursday. I post tons of fun content, fashion, skincare, makeup, as well as other fun things, especially now that we're staying at home all the time and not going out. I post a lot of fun at home content, so definitely check out my channel. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye!